Now we're going to compare these two functions and come up with a conclusion. Example. Your function is x squared, and the other function is x to the third, x cubed. What's the difference between these two functions? You have even exponent, and here you have an odd exponent, all right? An odd exponent. So remember the graph of this function. This is just x squared. You have a parabola that touches x-axis at the origin. Graph touches x-axis at the origin. What about the graph of this function? For this function, the graph crosses x-axis at the origin. So this is the behavior of this graph. So the graph crosses x-axis at the origin. So what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is for any function f of x equals to x minus k to power n, if n is even the function, then the graph touches x-axis at x equals to k. If n is odd, then graph crosses x-axis at x equals to k. This is the conclusion that we have. Can shift this graph 1 unit to the left or right, shift this graph 1 unit to the left or right. It doesn't change the behavior of the function. We're taking this parabola, moving it to the other side. Again, it touches x-axis. This guy touches x-axis.